If you're looking for an easy process to be able to move workflows from one n8n account to another n8n account, I want to show you exactly how you can do that using the official n8n node. If you want a copy of today's workflow, simply click the link in the description below to go to our free school community where you can download this and a host of other useful n8n workflows. Once inside, you'll find all of our free downloads in the classroom, as well as instructions on how to set everything up and all the tools you'll need to get it running, as well as a host of other helpful n8n tutorials. And if you think this is going to be helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. It really does help. All right, so the video that I put out yesterday, I talked about all the different functions and features of the n8n node. I'll put a link in the description below for that. But here I have a very simple workflow that I'm going to go ahead and give you. It's already set up. You don't have to do anything else. I'll actually remove this limit node when I go ahead and give it for you for download, because if you want to transfer all of your workflows, you don't need a limit node. So all it does is if I hit execute workflow, it's going to go and get all of my workflows from my cloud account. I have it limit to just one because I don't want to actually transfer all 429 or duplicate them all. And then I just have a create workflow node here using the n8n node, and it's going to go ahead and create it. And I'm actually going to go ahead and create it in my cloud account as well, because I can put it in whichever account I want. It's getting all of the JSON information from my workflows. I don't need anything extra. I don't need any additional information. It's getting all of that information directly from my cloud account. I'm able to then pass it to whichever n8n account I want. So let's go ahead and take a look at which workflow it actually operated on. It's going to really cause my computer to slow down here because that's a lot of workflows and a lot of them are really big. So it looks like it transferred or duplicated, in this case, a Roger 3.0 databases and PDF review workflow. All right, and here in this node, I have some special code here to be able to make sure that all the data is being passed properly, so that when I transfer my workflow from one account to the other, that the name is passed properly, that the nodes are passed properly, that the connections are passed, and all the settings are, because you need to be able to pass that JSON object into the new n8n account to be able to create those workflows. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all of that. Basically, we're just stringifying the information that's being passed. So the JSON.nodes, the JSON.connections, and the JSON.settings. All right, and so let's go ahead and grab the name here. We'll go back to my cloud account. I didn't want to set up a second set of credentials to do this. I'm just going to pass it back and forth. And so here we go. Last updated 1 minute ago. It was just created. Open this up. And it's got a workflow, it's got the name, it's got my system prompt and my inputs and everything exactly as I'd want to see it. Now, I can actually come in here and see that I paste in the name. I should have a second version of it. Must be this one here. Yeah, it is that one. So it didn't include the tag. I probably could have passed the tags as well. If I open this one up, you'll see it is exactly the same workflow, same colors. Come in here, it's got the same expressions, got the same system prompt and everything. It was able to perfectly replicate my workflow, and it even passed the name. So it's really great. It was able to get everything from my workflow from one account, and it happened to put it back into the same account. But again, it can be passed to any account, either from cloud to self-hosted, self-hosted to cloud, cloud to cloud, self-hosted to self-hosted, however you want to do it. This workflow right here will be able to handle it for you. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So now you're going to get all of your workflows from one account to another. This is actually a great way to be able to transfer, because what you can do is you can have a process in here to grab the right workflow that you want to process and transfer to another account. But say that you're an agency building these workflows for companies, you're able to grab exactly the right workflow and transfer it into their account without having to download the JSON file and then go over to them and, hey, you need to upload this and add it into your n8n account. Don't need to do that anymore. All you need is access to their API. They can even give you a quick 7-day token to be able to do that. They don't need to give you an unlimited access. Quick token, upload the information. Everything is built in right away. They'll need to set up their credentials to be able to have their account set up with it, but then it is good to go. So nice little workflow for you, and I'll have this available in the free community. And if you're serious about building AI automation tools into your business using n8n, be sure to check out our Advanced community where we give new tools each week that will actually make a difference in your business. This is where we keep all of our exclusive tools and resources for committed business owners looking to ride this AI wave. In addition, you'll get direct access to me to help you through your setup and tech issues, our business building course library, and so much more. And as always, I'm Bradford Carlton. Let's automate your success together.